Well, 3 happy little campers. The green papaya, what happened?
Well, I started taking it 3 times a day in some water, about a teaspoon, and it really helped. I had kind of quite a lot of wind, like burping quite a lot. So yeah, it kind of really sorted it out. Really, it's 99% gone. Really.
When he says quite a lot, he would burp loudly with a discomfort 15-20 times after a meal, between meals, and literally after the first teaspoon there was an improvement. So we were like, okay, we won't get too excited, but you felt such relief, haven't you?
Yeah.
And it's been so easy to have. We're extremely grateful and extremely happy. Thank you so much.